Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert. In today's video, we're going to talk about the book, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for future videos. The Psychology of Money is one of the most popular books about mindset. The book is about the strange ways people think about wealth, greed, and happiness. Here are some of the big ideas from the book. 1. No one's crazy. Summary. Everyone looks at money through a lens of their past experiences. You can read what it was like to lose everything during, say, the Great Recession, but you will never bear the emotional scars of those who survived it and are now afraid to invest again. It's important to remember then that until you've lived through a financial crisis and felt its consequences, you'll never understand why people behave the way they do. Number 2, luck and risk. Big idea. Nothing is as good or as bad as it seems. Every outcome in life is guided by forces other than individual effort. Bill Gates had a competitive advantage over millions of other students because he had attended one of the only high schools in the world that had the cash and foresight to buy a computer. In finance, luck is as much as a force as risk. 3. Never enough. Big idea. Rich people do crazy things. Rajat Guptas, Bernie Madoff, these are men that had everything, wealth, power, freedom, only to lose everything because they had no sense of enough. The lesson, there's no need to risk what you have and need for what you don't have and don't need. The hardest financial skill, it seems, is to stop the goalposts from moving. Number 4, confounding compounding. Big idea, our minds are not built to handle the reality that compounding leads to logical defying results. Warren Buffett's fortune isn't due to just being a good investor. Rather, it's due to being a good investor since he was a child. As of writing, Warren Buffett's net worth is $84.5 billion. Of that, $84.2 billion was accumulated over his 50th birthday. The counterintuitive nature of compounding leads even the smartest of us to overlook its enormous power. Number 5, getting wealthy versus staying wealthy. Big idea, good investing is not about making good decisions. It's about consistently not screwing up. Housel writes that if you had to summarize money success in a single word, it would be survival. Not growth or brains or insight, but survival. The ability to stick around for a long time without wiping out or being forced to give up makes the biggest difference when it comes to making money. Compounding only works if you can give an asset years to grow. Number 6, tails, you win. Big idea, you can be wrong half the time and still make a fortune. Anything that is a huge, profitable, famous, or influential is the result of a tail event. An outlying 1 in 1,000 or million event, and most of our attention goes to things that are huge, profitable, famous, or influential. When most of us, what we pay attention to is a result of a tail. It's easy to underestimate how rare and powerful they are. Number 7, freedom. Big idea. Controlling your time is the highest dividend money pays. The highest form of wealth is the ability to wake up every morning and say, I can do whatever I want, when I want, with who I want, for as long as I want. This more than your salary, more than the size of your hours, more than the prestige of your job, more than anything is the highest dividend money pays. Number 8, man in the car paradox. Big idea. No one is impressed with your possessions as much as you are. People tend to want wealth to signal to others that they want to be liked and admired. But in reality, those other people often bypass admiring you, not because they don't think wealth is admirable, but because they use your wealth as a benchmark for their own desire to be liked and admired. Number 9, wealth is what you don't see. Big idea. Spending money to show people how much money you have is the fastest way to have less money. We tend to judge wealth by what we see because that's the information we have in front of us. But the truth is that wealth is what you don't see. Rich is a current income. Nice cars purchased. Diamonds bought, but wealth is hidden. It's an option not yet taken to buy something later. Not knowing the difference is a source of countless poor money decisions. This concludes the first part of the summary of the book, The Psychology of Money. You'll find the link of the second part below this video. I also placed a link in the book in the description below. Give us a thumbs up and show your support in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.